2019 Nissan Frontier Pro-4x V6. Beautiful truck. Got less than 1,000 miles on it. Got 4 catalytic converters, 2 on this side and 2 on this side. Then it's wide into a single, and we put a FLOWMASTER 40 series muffler on it. Let you guys hear the difference in sound. And it's got an aftermarket black tip. There's the old muffler right there. He's gonna take it with him just in case. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. There it is, 40 series FLOWMASTER. Give it gas. FLOWMASTER 40 series. There's the muffler we took off.